Begin with removing the existing consumables from the torch head. If you plan to reuse any of the existing consumables, put these to one side, ready to be reinstalled. We will be replacing everything in this video. Take the collet body and screw this into the front of the torch head. Screw your chosen ceramic cup onto the collet body. With the collar on the collet facing upwards, drop it through the opening at the top of the torch head. Push the tungsten through the collet and collet body so it appears out the end of the ceramic cup. Now place the back cap over the tungsten and screw this down to lock everything in place. Unscrew the back cap to adjust the tungsten stick-out length. You have now changed all of the consumables in your TIG welding torch and ready to start welding.